Okay, was actually very easy and really quick, so I didn't take all the parts, but almost all of them. Oh shit. Let's try not fuck this up and not break any of the pieces. Yep. Okay, now let's install the door. Okay, this took me 2 hours to do until now, and I can tell you that the PAX wardrobe takes like 10-15 minutes tops to do one column, so not easy, huh? Okay. This is a simple door. It's like a plain door, and this time I'm going to install it outside. Okay, so these come with the door, so you don't have to buy them separately. So we're going to put them in just now, like this. 1, 2, and it's easier to do it here because you have to install here first in the door and then in the PAX wardrobe, not the other way around. So just put them in place like this. Okay, let's grab the piece and take it outside. This one is easier. Just put this in place, like so. And now grab the screwdriver. And then I'll screw it exactly how it's supposed to be, right? Now I can open properly and screw the rest as it should. Very nice. Moment of the truth. Beautiful. Okay, so I bought these. They are 2 and it's called Gubar and it's really cheap. It's just 99 cents. So let's unbox it. And it has nice 2 little handles. I just need one, like I said, and the screws, right? So let's do the holes and install one handle. Okay, so for these I'm just going to measure 1 meter and 15 centimeters from the bottom, like so, here. And now here I'm just going to do like 5 centimeters and it's good. Okay, let's grab a little piece of tape, painter's tape, put it in this side and another piece in the inside, and this is going to prevent the wardrobe to damage itself. So yeah, do it like this. Ooh. Okay, we have a tip here, so I'm going to do from the inside, and I believe it's going to be really smooth. Let's take the tape. Okay, really cool. Okay, now so grab the handle, put the screw from inside out like this and just screw it into place. And this one is a very clean handle, and I believe it's good for the space. Yep, really nice. Let me know what you think about it, or if you would like the black one like I have in the apartment.